guys, today I will be talking about the domain of Adsense arbitrage and the domain of the short link. The name of website, for example, Adyomi, not the best website, but you can earn money online. Many people do not have money to advertise via Facebook. Since the domain of Adsense arbitrage depends of purchase the visitor from Facebook or Yahoo or any website for purchase a visitor. For example, that's why I created strategy for earn money online to advertise via Facebook. Just down a video and register in the link Adyomi and work in this website short link and send me your referral send for me and send your link another person for register this link and create group work online. That's it. So I see you next video. Do not forget to subscribe in my channel and see you later.